Hello, I'm Heath, and today we're going to be talking about how to add custom commands with custom fonts to our live stream, just like this right here. But anyway, let's jump in this video. Let's see how we get this done inside of our live streams. All right, so let's jump in this thing. So we've all been in somebody's stream before, and they posted their social media information, and when it came up on the screen, it looked like this. It was nice, and there was links, and then they had all these little custom fonts right after the end of it. And you're saying to yourself, well, how do I get this done for my live stream as well? I've actually had this command for a really long time now, and I figured, well, if I like the way it looks, I'm sure there's somebody else out there who would enjoy learning how to do this as well. It's actually pretty simple. Not only does it work for Twitch, it works for YouTube and Kick as well. That way you can just put this information inside of a bot and you can post it on either any of your live streams. All right, so here we are inside of my Twitch channel. And as you see right there, I've already posted it quite a few different times. We have our links and we have our little custom font. It is just a simple command that we set up inside Stream Elements. Doesn't really matter what bot you use as long as it supports custom commands. But for the sake of today's video, we are using Stream Elements. But as you can see, anytime I use !test for this command right here, it is going to show my Twitter information, Instagram, YouTube, or X, and my TikTok information as well, followed by some little arrows with Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, with some really custom fonts. So as I said, you're going to be setting this up inside of a bot. For today's video, like I said, we are going to be using Stream Elements. So let's go over to Stream Elements page. I'm inside of Chatbot and my Chatbot commands. And what we're going to need to do first off is create a custom command. And we're going to add new command right here. Then we're going to type in the name of the command that we're going to be using for this case right here. We're just going to be saying test2. And there we go right there. And then we're going to be our response type. Our response type is whenever we type this command, this is the response that we get whenever this command is used. So after we do this, whatever our command is, maybe we want a simple greeting message or we want links to our social media. But for today's video, let's just go ahead and do it for our social media. So let's just go type www.twitter.com. And in my case, mine is HeathSum. So now that we've got our command type in here, we're going to be adding our custom font to it. And the website we're going to be going to is etcgamer.com. I'll leave a link for it down in the description below. And let me scroll down here real quick. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until we find the one that we actually want. We got Discord links. We got alphanumeric. We got all sorts of different symbols that we can be used inside of here, but we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom right here. And we're going to be looking right here. And let me see which one I want. I'm going to be copying this one right here. So all you have to do is click it. Going to copy it. We'll go back to our band, and then you just paste it in there. And as you can see, we've got a couple of little arrows in there. So after we paste that in there, we're going to go to another website. That way we can post our customized font inside of our bot command. So this new website is called fsymbols.com. I'll leave a link to it as well. And let's just erase this real quick. We're going to type it in all lowercase. So let's do Twitter. And as you can see, it pops it up right there, Twitter. There are also some other options as well. They give you different variations of it. Twitter in different forms, different fashions. But for today's video, we're going to be doing this right here. Click copy. Go back to our bot command. We're going to paste that in there. And now we have our customized font for our social media right here. Okay, so let's activate this command real quick. Our command is activated. There it is right here, test2. Let's go back to our Twitch page and type in !test2. And we are agreed with www.twitter.com/HeathSum with our customized text and font as well. Then the link will be active and it takes us to our Twitter page just like that. So now that we've made our own custom social media link, let's just say we want to add a little bit more to it and add a little bit more flair to it. So let's go back to our bot page. We're going to go back to Stream Elements. Let's go back to our command real quick. And we're going to press enter for a new line. And we're going to paste in something I had copied in my clipboard. So let's do this. In the event you have another social media link, in this case right here, I just said my blog. I put a little bit a hand emoticon with my blog and a little right arrow pointing to a link. This link is, I'm not sure what it is. I just said myblog.com. But we're going to go ahead and hit save. Then we're going to go back to our Twitch page and we're going to test out and see if that new command works. So !test2. And there we go. The command works. However, it looks kind of junky. Everything is just all running together. It doesn't look very good. So it's going to take a little bit of formatting because of the way Twitch handles chat messages. So we need to go back to that website where we got our Discord symbols from. So let's go over to that page And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is a Discord invisible character. What you're going to do is copy that invisible character, go back to your bot page, and right after where it says Twitter, we're going to hit the space bar, and then we're going to copy and paste that invisible character inside of our bot command. And we'll hit save again. So we save the command, go back to our Twitch page. Let's go in here, exclamation mark test2. And now everything appears as it should be. We've got our Twitter link on one line and our blog link on the second line. You can go back and do a multitude of different things simply by customizing our commands inside of our Stream Elements bot or whatever bot you choose. And you can end up something looking like this right here, or even better by adding different emoticons. As you see right here, I've got stars, lines, my CGamer76, and a bunch of different commands options as well that you can customize. However, one thing I do want you to make note of is that the invisible character, sometimes it takes a little bit of extra maneuvering around with it to get it looking just right. I had to delete some of the lines from this command right here, so everything appeared on the lines like they were supposed to. But anyway, these are just a few simple things that you can do for customizing your Twitch or live streaming commands. There are so many more options that you can do to further enhance your live stream by customizing commands for your streams. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Tag me on Twitter. Take a screenshot of your custom bot commands. Let me know how they turn out. I would really enjoy seeing what you come up with. Anyway, until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.